Do this before getting intimate, and your partner will be surprised. For each woman, think about this at least once just before getting intimate. All females get worried about the smell from their vaginal area before sexual activity. First of all, vaginal smells are very common, so don't overthink about it, and also by simply maintaining a basic regular hygiene you may avoid it completely. Shower is the best possible way to clean your vagina before sex without any side effect. If you want, you can add some amount of apple cider vinegar in water. Apart from there is some don'ts to follow while cleaning your vagina. 1. Don't wipe yourself with wet wipes, as they contain alcohol and can hurt the tender skin down there. Apart from that, the residue they leave behind also tastes foul, so it will not be any fun for your man. 2. Don't be too harsh or douche. Douching is a very harmful practice and can harm the pH of your vagina and lead to infections. Also, when you are cleaning, be gentle to avoid hurting yourself. 3. Be careful when you shave, trim or epilate. The skin down there is extremely sensitive and any nicks and cuts can result in nasty infections. So be careful when you shave. If you're trimming the area, make sure you are careful to hold the excess skin down as you go about the process, as it can get caught in the trimmer. If you are planning to epilate the area by waxing the hair off, go to a professional who knows what she is doing and make sure the area is sanitary. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.